Hello friends. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to generate and download an SRT file from Clipchamp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your project. Launch Clipchamp, and open the video project you want to generate subtitles for. Step 2. Import media. If you haven't already, import your video. Click the Import Media button in the Your Media tab on the toolbar, or drag and drop the video file into Clipchamp. Step 3. Add video to timeline. Drag and drop your video from the Your Media tab onto the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Step 4. Enable Autocaptions. Click the Captions tab on the Property panel, usually on the right side of the screen. Then, click the Turn on Autocaptions button. Step 5. Select Language and Settings. A pop-up window will appear. Choose the language spoken in your video. Optionally, check the box to filter profanity or offensive language. Click the Transcribe Media button to start generating subtitles. Step 6. Review and edit captions. Once the transcription is complete, captions will appear in the video preview. An editable transcript with timestamps will show in the Captions tab. Double-click any text to edit or correct errors. Step 7. Download the SRT file. In the Captions tab on the Property panel, locate the Download Captions button. Click it to download the SRT file to your device. It will typically save to your Downloads folder. Pro tip: ensure your video has clear audio for accurate transcription. Clipchamp's Autocaptions use AI-powered speech recognition and support one language per video. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an SRT file from Clipchamp. If you have questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe with notifications. Click that bell icon for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.